Alright guys, got something special in store for you today. Today we're putting on headers on my new Porsche. Well, not new, but new to me. We got some stainless steel headers we're putting on today, eBay specials. Good news is though, they've already been ported out. I went for the eBay ones because I've read a bunch of reviews online, and people that autocross these things, the 996s, tend to prefer these. Actually, they actually have a better flow and more horsepower gains than, say, Fab Speed or the other ones. Not saying from experience, just from what I've heard online. And they were a hell of a lot cheaper, so thought I'd save some money and go with the budget ones. When it comes to like the catback stuff, I'll definitely spend a little more money. So when it comes to the catback stuff, I'm definitely going to be spending a little bit more money, but we'll see if I even keep the cats. Right now, I just have the muffler delete. If I can find a good X-pipe, I'll just do the X-pipe. So it's a little more of the kit. We have both sides, stainless steel, and then they came with new crush gaskets and hardware as well, so it should be a pretty straightforward install. This is just going to accompany the straight pipe I did, so it should be pretty freaking awesome. Alright, we managed to get the first one off. Here's it is. I'm about to pull out the other one so we can get a comparison of the two. Let's see how this one all has equal length going into the 3-to-1 versus this one going into 1 into 1 into 1. And then the flange on this is a lot beefier. Should bolt right in. Alright guys, progress report. We got the first side done. Everything's looking good. None of the bolts were rusted in or anything. Didn't break any bolts. One of the things I was really worried about. So, had a little trouble lining up a couple bolt holes, but pried it into place and everything worked out.
That looks like a Mercedes Jeep down that way.
The G-Wagon.
But it was a Mercedes wagon now.
Yeah, one of the neighbors has a G 4x4 squared. Alright guys, welcome back. We ended up having to call quits last night. Battery on my phone died, camera, whatever. And then just ran into a few random hiccups. This morning I went through and finished bolting everything up. Haven't started the car yet. We're getting ready to do that right now. So let's see how it sounds.